Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can use cowries to know the one that is better. When you have to choose to make when if you want to make choice between two things and you are not sure of the one you are going to do, or you are not sure of the one to take. So how you can use cowries to choose between two things, and that I'm going to teach you today. So you can make use of three cowries, you can make use of four cowries. Okay, as for beginners, maybe three can be easier for you to learn. Okay, remember, always give chalk to cowrie, pack them together, use your finger to put the chalk around, just do something like this around, then put the chalk up, then remove it and keep it. Okay, then hold the cowries with your hand. Let's say for example, you have to let this in your life, you want to choose, let me say for example, one is M and one is L. You have to ask, okay, oh, L, will L be better for me? Will L be better for me? Will L be a good wife for me? Then you throw it. By the time you throw it, you see two turn back, which means no. So two turn back, only one turn yes. So we have two no and one yes. Okay, then you now check the second name. Will L be better for me? Will L make a good wife? Then you throw. You see, here we have yes, yes, no. Do you see it, Abi? So which means L is better than L is better than M, which means L will make a better wife than L will make a better wife than M. Or maybe for example, you have two jobs. You have job A, you have job B. Okay. For example, I want to ask, is job A better for me? Is job A, is it good for me? Let's show it. All the three turn yes. So which means job A will make a good job, will going to be a better job for me. Okay, which means from job A, I'm going to get something, I'm going to get another thing, and I'm going to progress. You see, so you can see the directions of those faces also say something as well. So other job A, I'll have several income. You understand? Okay, job B is better than job A. Job B is better than job A. You ask question, then you know. So it's telling you not really, not really, which means they neither say yes or no to it. So when it turned all back, which means it's a good yes, it's better than when it turned all front. But anytime you ask a question concerning two things, okay? If for example, you want to know if you are traveling today, you traveling today and you traveling tomorrow, which one is better? You are going to ask it this way. I want to travel today. I want to travel today. Is it better for me? I want to travel today. I want to travel today. So I have to know. I have one yes, which means this journey I'm talking about, I should leave it first. That's the distance here. That's what this distance signifies. Should leave it first, or it's going to be low before I'm going to travel. Okay, I can't tell you what I have in mind before I throw this. Okay, let me travel tomorrow. Let me travel tomorrow. Then I throw it. So it's all turn yes, 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 which means anything I want to do that has to do with traveling. Me moving tomorrow is far better than me moving today. So I can have yes here, I have yes here, I have yes here. You can see now. So this is how you can use cowries to choose. This one is simple. So you can do it yourself to know what to choose between two things. Instead of you to ask somebody, this will save you a lot of money. Okay. Or maybe for example, I have two business in mind I want to do. I have two business in mind I want to do. Maybe I want to sell pure water and I want to sell pure water, I want to sell clothes. I don't know the one that is better for me, then I will take cowries like this. Me selling pure water, I will make money from selling pure water. I will make money. Two said no, one said yes, which means it's not going to move the way I want. Okay. Let me sell clothes. I will sell clothes, I will make more money. I will sell clothes. This one is still telling me no. See, two turn back, one two turn front, one turn back, which means me selling clothes will not be a good business for me. Let me be doing spiritual work is better for me. It's better for me. You see, two turn yes, spiritual work is better for me. one said no. So since to say yes and one said no, which means spiritual work is better for me. Let me continue with my business. Let me continue with my business and show. You see, yes, my business will give me more money. You see, you see, 3 years. You understand? So this is how to use cowrie to find out the business or anything you want to do. Okay, you understand? So this is how you can use cowrie to find out between two things. Or maybe for example, I want to find out who did something. For example, my pen is missing. Is it James that stole my pen? Is it James that stole my pen? James. So by the time you see, he said no, James did not steal my pen. No, James did not steal my pen. This one said yes. So this one is talking about, I'm talking, there's something that happened, somebody stole from me a long time ago. That's why I see this distance. When I say, are you talking about what was stolen long time ago? So which means it's not James. I understand what you're telling me. So this is my personal stuff. So okay, well you have another name. Okay, it's Haruna that steal my pen. It's Haruna. It's Haruna. So you see, two say yes and one say no. So and remember, cowries, one thing can miss everything. This one is say yes. And this Haruna that steal the pen we are talking about is a boy. That's why he turns this face like this. So if it's a girl, he will turn like this, the face like this, which means yes, the person they're talking about now is yes, is one that stole the pen and it's a girl. Guys, let me stop here. Anything you don't understand, ask questions, then I will continue more on you. See you guys in the next video. This is Ake. Don't wait to hit that subscription button. Like the video. At least to tell me work well done. I don't believe if there's any channel that normally teaches about cowries reading the way I do. Okay? At least appreciate me by hitting the like button. See you guys in the next video.